In this video, I can show you some cool new features on Moodle. Here I am on labod'anglais.com. Click on the Cégep English Moodle icon. Scroll to the course. And here you can see the lessons are lined up as a series of buttons. Scrolling down in lesson 1, you see there is an attendance activity. Students must click on the attendance activity and indicate that they are present. And they do this by selecting either present, late, excused, or absent. All right, so that's really useful. Even more useful is the fact that here there's a Zoom lesson, and you're able to, with this Zoom lesson, through the Edit Settings menu, set a condition. Students have to indicate that they have arrived to class on time before they join your Zoom meeting. The next thing I want to show you is how easy it is to set up a Zoom meeting using Moodle nowadays with a Zoom plugin. So you need to turn editing on and click on Add an Activity or Resource and simply select Zoom Meeting. Give it a name. And you can indicate that it's recurring and that it recurs every week. Students can join with phone or with computer, and then simply click Save and return to the course, and your Zoom meeting is ready. Another feature I think you'll like is with editing on, you can open a course block, and here you have a sharing cart. And what that means is any teacher who has activities and wants to share can add them to the sharing cart, and then all you have to do is simply click the Copy to Course icon. So if you remember in my last video, I showed a dictation activity and a pronunciation activity. Click on the Copy to Course, scroll down, and you can add it to any one of the lessons. So we can add it here to lesson 2. And here it is, added automatically. It's already configured and ready to go. All right, so that will make sharing with other English teachers much easier, and I have many activities that I can share with people. The next thing I want to show you is how to do some very quick grading. If you remember in my last video, I showed how students can get formative feedback on an essay they've written. Here, from teacher's view, I want to show you how to do the grading. Here you can see a student has submitted a text for grading. I can see it, read it, look at the work cited, and I can also simply click Automated Evaluation. Now, whether the student has received formative evaluation or not, the system generates a score and puts all of the comments and scores into the comment area for the teacher. You can simply then take note of the score. It'll be recorded to the gradebook for you. You can make any changes to the feedback that's automatically generated. You can override the score, and you can save and show next. In this way, grading essays should be a lot faster, and you will be able to assign more essays throughout the semester so students get more meaningful practice, more feedback, and faster scores. All right, well, that's the end of this tutorial. If you're interested in learning more, please let me know. There are a lot of new tools to look at and to experiment with, and I think teaching at a distance could be a lot smoother when we take full advantage of what the new Moodle has to offer. All right, well, thank you very much, and see you next time.